وطابت أوقاتكم بكل خير، مرحبا بكم معنا. وطابت أوقاتكم بكل خير، مرحبا بكم معنا في ساحة النصر هنا مرسو البارك، حيث أجواء عالمية لا مثيل لها في
اللي خارج التشكيل بسبب أيضا الإصابة بالنسبة للاتحاد.
السيدات والسادة الحضور الكريم، نرجو التكرم بالوقوف حيث يعزف النشيد الوطني السعودي.
هذا الكم من الهجوم الخطير فيه الى سعيد المولد بكره عرض المباراه الاولى لكريستيانو رونالدو وماليزيا نيجيريا وغانا وغيرهم. جمهور تيم تمويه عدت منه، عادت الى مارتينيز، تمريره صعبه مع حارس المرمى الاتفاقي في هذه المباراة وهو باولدن في هذه الأمسية، وجمهور كبير أيضا كان يسعى لحضور الكرة إلى الأجامي أمامية باتجاه غريب في المساحة، كرة أمامية بدون تركيز، أكرم لبيتي نحو كريستيانو رونالدو بتسديدة لكنها تصطدم. أول كرة، أول ضربة، أول تسديدة، أول تهديد، أول محاولة، أول انتقاد، تعليمات أو نظرات. بيتي مارتينيز عرضية برا في الدور الهجومي القوي جدا على المتابعين. كرة من جانب غريب، عرضية يكون في دوري المحلي في المملكة، كرة طويلة خاطئة. المباراة الأولى ولن يكون الدوري سهل فيها على طريقة الركنيات. لسعيد المولد يلعب الكرة الطويلة داخل عزازي، طويلة خلف المدافعين، خطيرة، بحث عن الكرة العرضية، بالفعل عرضية لكنها بعيدة عن الكل. اللقطة اللي كان فيها الجبهة اليسرى بسبب الإصابة كونان، ولكن العودة لكريستيانو يحاول في هذه الليلة لمسة من غريب الغنام، البحث عن كرة عرضية داخل منطقة. بيتي يلعب كرة أمامية لكنها تغلب، ولكنهم حتى الآن يبحث عن كريستيانو لكن التغطية مارتينيز نحو كريستيانو رونالدو، محاولة مرور أمام الزحمة إلى غريب، كرة عرضية كان يطالب بشيء في اللقطة الماضية. وعسى النصر الأرجنتيني يلعب كرة عرضية داخل منطقة، لكن عودة لعبد المجيد صليح بكرة عرضية لكن الدفاع اللي أمامه الكثير من التدخلات والتغطية والمراقبة اللصيقة، و 60% في الدقائق الماضية من أحداث هذا اللقاء. الكرة هجوم، تحرك بجانب كريستيانو، لمسة بينية إسكا لرونالدو يحاول على حدود المنطقة نحو تاليسكا، تغطية وتدخل من أماكن عديدة يتابعون أحداث هذه كان عنده شغف كبير في كل محطة، في كل محطة كبيرة، في لفتة رائعة. بكم مع وطابت أوقاتكم بكل خير، مرحبا بكم معنا في ساحة النصر هنا مرسو البارك، حيث أجواء عالمية لا مثيل لها في
اللي خارج التشكيل بسبب أيضا الإصابة بالنسبة للاتحاد.
السيدات والسادة الحضور الكريم، نرجو التكرم بالوقوف حيث يعزف النشيد الوطني السعودي.
هذا الكم من الهجوم الخطير فيه الى سعيد المولد بكره عرض المباراه الاولى لكريستيانو رونالدو وماليزيا نيجيريا وغانا وغيرهم. جمهور تيم تمويه عدت منه، عادت الى مارتينيز، تمريره صعبه مع حارس المرمى الاتفاقي في هذه المباراة وهو باولدن في هذه الأمسية، وجمهور كبير أيضا كان يسعى لحضور الكرة إلى الأجامي أمامية باتجاه غريب في المساحة. أمامية بدون تركيز، أكرم لبيتي نحو كريستيانو رونالدو بتسديدة لكنها تصطدم. أول كورة، أول ضربة، أول تسديدة، أول تهديد، أول محاولة، أول مادو تعليمات أو نظرات بيتي مارتينيز عرضية برا في الدور الهجومي القوي جدا على المتابعين. كرة من جانبي غريب عرضية يكون في دوري المحلي في المملكة. كرة طويلة خاطئة مباراة الأولى ولن يكون الدوري سهل فيها على طريقة الركنيات. سعيد المولد يلعب الكرة الطويلة داخل عزازي طويلة خلف المدافعين خطيرة. بحث عن الكرة العرضية بالفعل عرضية لكنها بعيدة عن الكل. اللقطة اللي كان فيها الجبهة اليسرى بسبب الإصابة كونان ولكن العودة لكريستيانو يحاول في هذه الليلة لا بسبب غريب الغنام. البحث عن كرة عرضية داخل منطقة بيتي يلعب كرة أمامية لكن تغلب ولكنهم حتى الآن يبحث عن كريستيانو لكن التغطية مارتينيز نحو كريستيانو رونالدو عالمية لا مثيل لها في
اللي خارج التشكيل بسبب أيضا الإصابة بالنسبة للاتحاد.
السيدات والسادة الحضور الكريم نرجو التكرم بالوقوف حيث يعزف النشيد الوطني السعودي.
Sato yedi nkoma na cheye pa nwumre amse kaguma na Kwaku mitiemu pa ntini Sato owo aye Ginyas Ramsia runabout anatwi wenu adwumafo nyina Sato aya no achia abanga so ama menafe yewu sade ati haya Agyenkwa fe Kumasi 10.9 miti ate Obouba ose Kwaku Cassidy General Bosumi no yegusua ya twia na 26th wachina nyame atuma weekend yakof efiada no na 27 Saturday 28 Sunday 29th na for Monday we are still in January Tuesday January enti enyasem kotwa emrantene di hot nyeje kra bana nyina mu ne kan ye God is king nyame ene hene ebusu Johnny feed no ewo Agyenkwa FM Facebook page ne so Agyenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 Agyenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 utikemu na wonnam enkran kwantempon no so atiyesa utu Greater Accra na fe wahwe echi kwan wono Atenka FM wono eso Atenka Media Village afi woni tire Central Region from Kumasi na okwa to mantem Western Region so dia na Ahoto FM takrade na jese also wotie na fo so dia tenemum enwumre wasugusu a wotie dia ewo Northern Sector Atenka Media Village ya Agyenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 Matthias Townsend انا يبتوا
سيد هذا الكم من الهجوم الخطير فيه الى سعيد المولد بكره عرض المباراه الاولى لكريستيانو رونالدو وماليزيا نيجيريا وغانا وغيرهم. جمهور تيم تمويه عادت الى مارتينيز تمريره صعبه مع حارس المرمى الاتفاقي في هذه المباراة وهو باولدن في هذه الأمسية وجمهور كبير أيضا كان يسعى لحضور الكرة إلى الأجامي أمامية باتجاه غريب في المساحة. كرة أمامية بدون تركيز أكرم لبيتي نحو كريستيانو رونالدو وطابت أوقاتكم بكل خير. مرحبا بكم معنا في ساحة النصر هنا مرسول بارك حيث أجواء عالمية لا مثيل لها في
اللي خارج التشكيل بسبب أيضا الإصابة بالنسبة للاتحاد.
السيدات والسادة الحضور الكريم نرجو التكرم بالوقوف حيث يعزف النشيد الوطني السعودي.
Ediabuama supporters etimi abepiemu ewo the various league centers as far as Ghana Premier League concerned. Yesu PM ɛwɔ ɛyɛ BFN sɛ Western North and as a Western region. A boy ye ka boy Diana say ho ɛyɛ the home grounds at the Masamates 1996 abrantie Okocha Okocha no mienu ɛna minim ɛwɔ Ghana football baako ɛwɔ Takrade Samuel Afo mokanom na osiakan at the second year Zakes osiakan so kakra Edema Akra Kati, was it Akra Kacho? Wano a second 11 wise. Ono a Samuel Afo and a nationum Asantiko Tokoso, I was Samuel Okocha. Wano could piemo a boy na conference. Oh, why a boy, Masa? Unya Tama. Na Akosha Noma Elkoso, our Timba Bobo Kunumu, is answer when you better. Clubus program no Emma Etiefwa. Ewe echichini benche so nya konya na omuntimi enchone emboa ema bibia so enye kama ema kwa babiem ade ba chinkwa fa dwumetie so eyo nwumra gudie mu nsam na yedeba once again set for tablet and so Sampa malaria TD yadie na aba widie ni mu anase umoja mu dia solution no eye ene entrant anase eye lufa tablet aje entrance na fe yewura amotobe akabo ma omode aba Ghana ha bomode so benya tablet ni bi na otumi abobɔ lufa tablet suspension no eye enkura no edie no eye kama beboa na kyerɛ bibia so etimi eye kama ya trapete Ghana ha eni afana ba bia a kyerɛ enye execura na ebusuan tentam so a caption this evening Pep Guardiola story and Amedesha working with Arteta made a better manager, made me a better manager. Wano ayen sama yura PG, wano aye Pep Guardiola wadia tuja sampa working with Mikel Arteta likely say ongoing Premier League in England is likely as a Mikel Arteta bit miaje adama the Gunners no wano ayen sama Pep Guardiola just say working with Arteta made me a better manager. Watching it's a game between Manchester City and Arsenal the Gunners, a FA Cup game. Na say Crow the John and you Pep Guardiola person the Mikel Arteta at the Kofi Annan Betrasia. Wadumu intimu bana bukayo Saka Brante on Bobopa Brante Saka on Bobopa wins EPL December player of the month now against Manchester United 1 year dinketia wamocha Manchester pa enya 3 goals against Manchester United Manchester team mienu na ehun at the same Brante win EPL December player of the month wano 2022 now my two lovers in the world Barcelona and then Argentina was known as Dofo mienu ewo wiase nyina Barcelona and Argentina Messi wankane yere Messi wankane ma waso no de the two lovers ewo wiase nyina Barcelona was Spain panya and Argentina one also sama Messi wadi atuja kofi areso tsare ntimu ebeba na Cristiano dos Santos Ronaldo and no hwe na chi kwan dia our Saudi Arabia ono sia kan na 0 to face 1 month ban for Juventus scandal Cyril Ronaldo to face 1 month ban for Juventus scandal unsa no piemu awetria na just Juventus bobo kono 15 points and a deducted at the free 1 point more. Now, yes, Ronaldo, one also know aqua Gemma, 1 plus best Dionum, our and Juventus, Abakayana Canena Ronaldo, was Siakan command Juventus after say, with free Madrid, Bobo Economum, one also and then some credit to Jao Johnny a Facebook now. And then there is a game live matches Madrid against ATM Copa del Rey, Salvador and Bilbao, Esbesia Kaim against Valencia, and then elsewhere, El Ittihad and El Nasri, one Arabia Super Cup, one Saudi Arabia, Super Cup, Baswa. Cristiano dos Santos ebe jemo na dua enya sinkoto krantino Kofi Awusu betransia watimu entemu nyina bebanso wey ene nsampi this and many more awo eye enkofo ekroso na mantena trase enche yebedi nkomotia wana afewia na diake bia de atoa on Total Sports Agyenkwa Kumase 101.7 to yendi twa kakra yento ade kakra bus digital satellite wano etejena na twi meka pass asamo jana just a bus niem unya decoders ade gufie unya decoders ade call joint seto wotimenka na twi ya ewo eye Genius Rams ya run about one na just o best bus chi kwan bus menka nchos na so unya decoders dia na chi kwan no aye Kumase ya owo abrepo BFN se Kotoko Johnson is wrong before be do abrepo Johnson Kotoko Johnson one shippers no ene din hwanimu na ne de sene samna ne niem yesi pass nie decoders niem decoder ben ana pe unya aye strong decoder multi TV decoders master decoders anase T2 decoder DSTV ni Go TV aye bus digital ena ye kanfum etame etiefo na abrepo Kotoko Johnson no opposite shippers and on Sabeka bus digital bus near decoders near where Juma Panyang installations and up a bus digital satellite and I come for Ametifo. The number is 05562 87757 05562 877 no a number for bus digital na muntimi enin common na bibia so enye kama for yempiemu our daytime so and for a crow from daytime new crow from me patro fi airport run about now about daytime so na wo remu no after sawatra a plaza near tie Isaac Paint Enterprise some and me and Isaac some can't for you for durable and then quality and affordable paint dear no one say oh Tony Abe Pimu our Isaac Paint asoye na Isaac Paint atonto paint I want to our emotion and oil paint DTM paint and of a semi-gloss our satin eggshell and then waterproof paint in the concrete cellars and of a stabilizer paint our Isaac Paint Enterprise or therefore no paint bia pebia we a professional painter and by so ye is as a paint no a affordable moderate as also a quality and durable and into promoters what do any better Isaac as so ye in the Joshua case no Kumase or beer furnace a crow from maybe a tipsy a brosano asiope and on Sabeka Isaac Paint Enterprise ben Poliga a station on Sabeka Isaac Paint Enterprise a controller a brosana say our beer furnace a ditcham so ya be kafam usabeka Isaac Paint Enterprise Isaac nye wano aye paint munyina macho paint munyina kukuta the number is 0343 97 57 56 0343 97 after NFA aye 97 57 56 Isaac Paint Enterprise wano aye paint munyina macho Swift Go and no him say name and yet taxes in kwani ade nanti ewo Ghana and one so called Play Store our Google now such Swift Go SWIFT in caps SWIFT in capitals one a Swift Go some countries Swift Go excellence in motion Swift Go proudly Ghanaian a safe reliable and affordable and no one say OPM our Play Store now was such Swift Go now near tenants when you Swift Go you enjoy 40 to 100% discount one I reward and download ya na yede month we discount kese pa into Swift Go and Agyenkwa Sports here come from ete ameti phone omo number betimi enomatin come 050 164 7600 050 164 7600 one Swift Go one Kumasi Ghana ni baby okay Philip partners enough major petim you bed in common from wake be idea to okay quick one pressure mount on GFA to sue some George over Black Stars allegation defamatory comment on Osia Sama yet some George and some more cousin confirm the Ghana Football Association and Omode Somabushani Adianum and yes pressure mount on GFA Amunchemu Ebeba Deputy Sports Minister Evans Bobie one also Hafuni this year and who some out media more and Anna G yet Ebeba folk want to sign top Ghanaian Premier League coach Anti Obouba match today. One of you and some Pana Junior Antina. Yura, I have confidence. One right here. Udamuson Gokra, Doctor Confidence, no. Doctor, with your Kupimo Farmers and who's right in Yazy. Just a comfy Frank Abebio. Koraveswa,
doctor's prescription form.
Doctor's prescription form.
Any I
tell you, like Facebook man, you won't idea no. Well, I don't understand the markets were problem. Many of them van travel.
Baby, I would have and I'm interested.
You can find two in all. Where doctor's prescription by Frank Abebio. What you do about 2 penny for him say? Or only headlines. Mon with the daho. Where doctor's prescription? I said you have pharmacy now.
Where I know you. I know you cry.
Yeah.
You will that you will.
Abba. Hey, a friend come of you. Oh, yes, super. Oh, yes, super. Hey, we need that go.
Rashid, I captured you. Come on.
Is it? Oh. Edu ana pass in our banner say sorry to go as in our home account say yes.
Me are no pardon come abono kunu ha. Some come abono kunu ofia because I know them pa. Say Philip so in Ramsey akakra.
Yeah, you Tunsu Ramsey.
Yeah, Tunsu Ramsey, Ginyasi.
We dey media go ka.
So me do ye me ko ho aye obebu e fe no Comfort. Okay. Comfort. What to crocodile soda? But won't say that, you know. Okay, and me trans yana minya call from Ramsey runabout. Okay. I think Saturday be a call. Trouble by Beman Quine. What do you do? A choco baby, I know feeling. I just answer at the end of Majay, Granana Museum in Comuvio. Oh, Lano, oh, see the merchants of wool. Casabi, oh, a brand to be a furnace too. Now we try course or monitor issue no. Yes, set. Yeah. On any squad. No. Yeah, when I'm 90 Diana Dribia from high school junction. Ebenina Befa Kumasi High. That's a genius in Milano Junction, Honina Afi. Exactly, no more. And all parkness will be a CA Honor. Who said Makai, we are saying Cassidy, be so wide, and now it's Ruba, and will be. Because far, nothing in my cotton Bruno. Say my confess around 1 a.m. But I'm name says here, but not in Monsieur Claire. Yes, a piano, be a guzna, a Claire. Crystal clear. Not just into me, and I just say, be a man, number here. But I never knew the way in the area when I do so be a settle like Adawa do an amen count, do as we settle. We don't do a set best several. The Berman Quine. Many didn't come and come so as or mind, but I know I'm my in the way. Oh, okay. Okay. No, me some kakra. Philip, as usual, Beshas enough petting so but I know quick. Nah, you said it. Mama 10 and then match time 10 minutes. Okay.
Kwaku said your kind, you know, Yanche tea for memory, and then Musa will be our monitor show no Facebook will be ano. Monitor with keen interest. And if our messages nibra, and then somebody discussing an ocean. Production, how writing Nayana had but production, like I said, you move.
Where doctors prescribe production.
Production, like I said, you move. Kwaku has a folk, and I'm a show kakra.
Okay.
Matisse meeting Biabaso. And after meeting, you know, as a new free meeting, the panel is not pleasant to hear. So we are house of folk fun. So we are house of folk supporter. And you would dead. So it's likely that house of folk bet may use 3 coaches in one season. So we are house of folk fun.
Kafra.
Are you likely? So Kwaku. House of folk bet may use 3 coaches in one season. Koi some board wabako. Obo season be 9 matches. In total in all games. And now match in Swaba. Match in Swaba be 8 matches. Now, per what I'm hearing, Kwaku, say nate prosper nate. Ebe jia tumuso be coach has team na. On be jia match chukama nako.
Nate.
Yes, prosper. On the house and yet the chiache.
Okay.
After the exit of Coach Samuel Bodu, now come up a prosper. And a prosper yes, or national team assignment. On say no can't. Sir, technical staff for now or call work up. Now not a part of them.
Okay.
And another everything what task enough for the galaxies after the World Cup. And now national team duties and Kasa Hede Gunso. So I know you're one of the major reasons in here. Amanati. And as a prosper, and to me unsigning our contract now from my house of folk. But per the meeting after the meeting.
Total Sports.
As someone said, Matic is so demanding.
But I think that was the plan.
Oh, yeah, that was the initial plan.
Yes, that was the initial because Tama Uklu.
Yeah.
A buy, you know.
No, Bien
say after World Cup to prosper never buy.
Yes. But eventually, Omu call for Matic. And what could be no me and Timin Tran can't say, Matic buy and the performance is bad. Nobody can convince me. Because while a foreign coach, or Bayern, he's here to lose 3 games.
Okay.
Or lose 2. And I'm about draw bear 3. And I jack a winning. So Matic over the statistics now. When you're bad, or you're a very good coach. To the level Cross what advice House of Folk supporters in one of his interviews recently said they should support the team, not on no individual Matic as the coach for the team. It no can be bitch. But my point is say Kwaku Radio and Kenny Yahoo, even without 5 key players for House of Folk, Yahoo Oduma Matic Eye. Yahoo players Sibia. Now I'm share confidence, no share there this rosa. But Obayano, while elevating the Kakra, the likes of Benjamin Yokomo, Gideon Asante Dinomo, Bono Mo Bono. For me, a year is better than before. And today, I see here, House of Folk are thinking to offload Coach Slavko
Agyenkwa FM.
Kwaku permanent report I'm making from a close source. And they said, may ya jinome be a mrebi shomobe kaya na jedi kakra. Some aspect of his allegations.
Last year more. You know.
Yes. On some the only challenge I made him that conversation is say we are waiting to match bad here. Not some someone all can
okay.
But wa man so dia na said you all can air no cre. But I could be sure mun na che say
Agyenkwa FM.
What is demanding your maybe? Which or no feel about boa club or but penifo ni bi o mo spearhead the attack no che say masa o maye na sia na na ye no.
And no man no betimi am ye ho bi.
Typical example, a poacher. House of Folk will need a good striker. And a coach and define some weaknesses would team no person well answer or pejam kakra. Ben penifo be say there be players in say we o bet my ball. And he used one for ball in the last 2 seasons. And one I don't budget league. And a coach said no. So because I will Premier League here, maybe by 8 matches and be a win. Now so make impact to Africa there. These boys will not help me. And the say what it is House of Folk I shall say any some
Total Sports. Total Sports.
It's all over the media space. But some of the signings I can tell you on authority. Say the coach has not sanctioned that signing.
Okay.
But on person and he's not happy about that. And that is a major for me. If this is how things will go, House of Folk should forget the Ghana Premier League title. Oh yes. ABS there. Say last week the coach and board ever midway. Ever league in my House of Folk. Obianim. But the bakura no one ko Samobodu buy no. Na you odum, right?
Yeah.
And you know by interim within some short time.
Yeah, caretaker.
And so na a ko Samobodu eba. But buy no. Obi am say na Samobodu was advanced in terms of everything, tactics and everything. Now Samobodu was far ahead than Odum. And eventually House of Folk won the league. But this season, why you saw Samobodu, why you saw Matic, Obiano Musa Prosper not in the last season, was the league in the But what is even the guarantee, say, Prosper by House of Folk Ebefa? So
that top coach in Prosper Ogum.
Oh, yes. Prosper not Ogum. Former Santiago, former Wafa. What is even the guarantee? Say Prosper not by Ebefa. It is just because why indigenous coach and also why Ghanaian coach with him terrain that Lentiana. Then in the first place, why would we even go for a foreign coach? No one knew the Ghana terrain about by at least he's performing. When the statistics are glaring.
Total Sports.
Some matches by 1 year back. Even in the absence of 5 key players for House of Folk, Dennis Kosa, a free year ban here, Kunadi Yadong, Seydou Suraj. And who again? There are 5 players in the Black Galaxies camp. So, Awako. So it tells you, say, we're head on your bad, but nobody knows what is going on. But Elsa has, Mpenyofonia, very careful. As of late, you can't have some too much in terms of decision making. And when that point comes in, the only 2 names that comes into mind are that supposed Aki and Popo, which is Elijah Kambi and Vincent Odoto Isowa. Kwaku and Pennyfo say, a dimbo baby, retimi, day, at the time to my you. Enti, Omuna SPD has a means of folk, whether they are the management or they are part of the board, no, Omuna day-to-day activities of the club. Omuna run the club, no. And this is Shibu Omutekia. Then you say, in every human institution, Kwaku, there is no perfection. Head never take a decision and a beboa. A chamber take away M1. It's normal with human beings. But the can say, for sporting reasons, I remember her, of course, in your hobby. And I was saying before, maybe I never come set to God for the one can say. Say, Mr. JB or whatever, who is supposed to be the House of Folk new MD.
Okay.
And where is his management team? There should be an institution of a management team for House of Folk. Board or order that. House of Folk need a management team. And the day-to-day activities of the club is in shambles, kakra. One say they on picture ni because there be Elijah can be, there be Vincent. But meanwhile, they have taken decisions about club and the pen. But the moment some decisions will go away or no, because most of the phobia platforms in Swa, now and the Americans say because when the case is on so many platforms, I can say, and your man can be a Yama club, nobody has an idea. And to him it's positive. But there can say in every
Total
structure
Sports.
of the club Biano, and I say every club structure Biano. We have the hierarchy, we have the board, we have the management, and we come to the technical team, the playing body. House of Folk our body like that. I'm making sure say some management team and no back kotokwa. Na na you amponsa spearhead the attacker omo day in and day out. Omo the sponsorship ever on board no. So House of Folk any management we go ebet boa. Because the appointment of Mr. JB, as I say, almost one day the supposed MD, no, he has worked in UK for so many years with a lot of experiences. And it's a woman, bear 4 or 5 other people become home to me are constitute the management. I don't think the House of Folk will be taking such decisions.
Okay.
M1 club, no, and Kwaku House of Folk situation in the Ukraine. A hard thing. I was saying for the Omonai is form. And I think that Omoyan is a bit to me Abuaye pa. Kwaku na my last pick bear in 2 minutes penalty. Emmanuel Emrem. Kwaku Sesiano. Chanti me. Now many produce a didn't come out crop production room. But one should have the clear picture of what actually is happening.
Okay.
But Kwaku, Saturday night will be a game on the J. And I'm a can and I will keep on giving this signal because it's our national team. And that Ghana ni akumebia so because the taxpayers money to Omoka. Whether you support the Black Galaxies or not, I'm telling you today. So indirect taxes, uton so tax me that's indirect taxes. Are you triama buy you tria boys nika? Omunso mutua direct taxes are me head about ticket mo ejisca no central market ni other markets no. Taxes are the government coffers are and when you tria boys nika. So whichever way you look at it, the fact that you are Ghanaian or you work in Ghana, not just a Ghanaian. What's a Ghana when you're a foreigner? You pay tax to the government.
In fact, baby, I'll go down now. Crown see blue of course. Near the mountain. Indirect tax.
Of course, you have indirect taxes there.
Yeah.
And the taxes now you're Tiano. And then they come by a national team now. Yes, ramping you for. I'm repeating this over and over again. Omuma, you want the kind of situation at our camp. You must say the technical team, the Omoyo Oma from there. Kwaku. And penny for be being who a chance said Jisho. So more promises they should give to the boys. They should communicate to them. Minimum say I know what I on the floors. No, everybody knows about that because for me, our first game against Madagascar, irrespective of say Madagascar, certain Bashir Sudan, I'm still not convinced without 2-1 that we lost to Madagascar because I feel that we could have done better. Even against Sudan, our first half was very poor. Sanka Sudan for take over chances and they don't get chance for. And Ninginano boils down to the point that, in fact, autonomy Abeka say, oh, Ghana there, we are slow starters when it comes to tournaments. But you call World Cup 2022, no. You call World Cup Germany 2006, no. We started slowly, but at the end, no, was also poor. So it's only AFCON. It's limited to AFCON. AFCON, no, the last edition, you know, group stages, we were out. So that mentality, that perception now, you take it, oh, Ghana, there we are slow when they come to tournament. This time around, they shouldn't take those chances again. They should communicate to the boys. Now, who the kind of offer package are, boys now, a bit to be motivate you, in other words, incentives are, a bit mama boy, no, boys, then Yajia, bet me, and winning that game over Niger. Because Kwaku, Niger, check Cameroon, it tells us one thing, that Niger is a force to beat. And in that case, I saw in my in as much as I said, an worker, correcting the mistakes, training grounds. You know. Okay. There's another motivational factor in this time around. Maybe a kind of money, and I say any other incentives are. If you say my boys and my boys, no, let my progress to the semi-finals of the CHAN. Okay. Okay.
All right. Obisi Nanka, you wanna see be a Mfama Morocco for no.
So Omo withdraw.
Combo.
Oh yes, of course. Combo can be defending like champions.
Yeah, I'm not defending champions.
Yeah, of the CHAN.
Okay.
Total Sports.
Alpha lotteries.
Oh yes, 50,000 to Slastete. Sorry. Yes, Slastete. In 1 minute pay. The behind here can.
Total Sports.
Kwaku, very sad. This is not the first time.
Agyenkwa FM.
I remember say Okaya, says Sesu Jones Atuku Efio. At a point in time, now he is also in need. Before his demise, we have seen a lot of empenophobic coaches and top players or pay or dues, they are more minor. Getting to the latter part of their lives, they are struggling. Why should Slastete and the 20 winning World Cup winning coach suffer like this? 50,000 from a lottery company. Slastete 2009, in year 13 years ago, let's say 14 years. And when you call the first ever World Cup, an African nation, when it comes to under 20 World Cup, Egypt. Before that, no, I call the AFCON, Rwanda, Kigali, Ediama Ghana, and what was called the World Cup. Look at the kind of players of Mofanism. National qualities are Mofanism. Even his captain now is the Black Stars captain as we speak. Not such a coach, Kwaku, and that's so a begging for money before he can survive. Kwaku, very sad. Let me one picture on me. Say, is that how we treat our coaches? Is that how we treat our heroes? Because this coach at this moment, no Kwaku, as uncle living lavishly, maybe uncle luxury life be or maybe the Bugatti bakubi them, maybe a fine mansion be, nan investment be which fetches him a lot of money. Bet me when I'm in the family. A World Cup winning coach. 50,000. If you are the very sad. Very sad. Mona Moya Ghana coaches now, more call for our national team jobs. Most sign contract, they are sign ye. Me, that's my only advice. Okay. Obu on Edman or pay. Many MC that pay Edman. Ejuma Nankasa, you know, say, if you deserve $30,000. But because, say, MC penalty, I will go for $25,000 and I will pick the job. And that is very bad.
All right, Filippo Nzaki, that's Oko Facebook page in this one. Omoye donation, yes, last tete. Bobovich, Alpha Lotto Limited. Pay last tete. Amount 50,000 Ghana cedis. I don't know cross share no cry. And I mean it just a man enkoye 50,000 ja maza
Kwaku Naka I know ya asaba kwam pese
what else never have
yes I never have something that I will ho kakra ma obi anka say last 30 or call you sika the man no he on records
people asking
yes on records
okay
according to him on the interview a few months ago no sika omo promising say under 20 you buy the man no Agyenkwa FM after 14 years in Zankai
Total Sports
first or yeah interview na 13 years so in Saka probably ate anything na Filippo Eka say coaches no more national assignment na say omuni mo call contractor munko ni ye obi on ma probably ye born din say o yenya ye the national under 17 under 20 ma na ni age na busuafo ni age they forget to say it comes with money adwuma no it comes with adwene because nipa no ordinary intellect you are paying his intellectual property asabi it can never be transferred obi adwene untumi transfer ma and we are say the best certificate what do you call the best property e bia wo papa na wo ma metum de gya we certificate and obi antumi no mpre wo we kosua de and or a hero a big one because you share Africa nyina country age World Cup under 20 Ghana coach Benadi Ekoye last 30 was able coach Black Stars pen after 13 years yes oni bidi or the woody but yare and ahano sabisika or the best don yare no and yet 1,000 cities and yet
Total Sports Total Sports
empo sa one yare mpo after 13 years obi a wa achieve this feat ni sika so mo de man so akwa problem
no zen for say players now do amoko more than but those players now bibia this should be behind the scenes and I hear you here but now zen go forces a bit appealing by the is it the day you was there
who's the players I found in
you was Samuel Nkum at that time you
I mean Dominic Ketia
also
yes
and you were no more buy na you more cousin you more cousin
yes players I found in seven so Jonathan Mensah munyina players I found in seven so nyame adom omu nyina asigi
na players omo na find adwuma
what's the players I find adwuma no question I will be say
no like
you can't even blame the players
yes
no you can't blame them I just find players who ye bibia if na kuma
on the field and I was a coach
so I of course help you when I wish or when I feel like helping
and Kwaku players in there I don't want to go there their contract they na woman say whether it's a verbal or written contract you know one catch and say we ko ba to say the an worker dey say players no get 3,000 or no just 6,000 times 2
for per year man I said
no winning bonuses participation fees no you treat your mom $3,000 say them players no coach in edge times 2
yeah 6,000
yes and so of course I should think say players no dey no omoje but don't say players no one tua more they will talk omekasa and so omekasa pe asamaba but coach no why ankura ononko as we speak ebia na nsankan it means that na assistant coaches are I can't who call no so no almost on sanka omo de but omo de no bia wontumi nkasa because ebi obi anyare papa no hondo no Alpha Lotto omo ya de e say buy obi e bo omo so papa e kasa ye how many months now
I even in the form of advert cram on because
exactly.
I can buy
and I pay me who news no na me kasa hey Alpha Lotto and go for beje fans club man but are we saying say government enyawe ministry enyawe Dania minister be a wabako that time wabako biano woshan kratem uhunu say ministry in edeka ABC as la started ye ka GFA almost nim say almost at least papa no be ye adwuma no na ketua na ankwa mfama no enti sabi enti Kwaku esesanke ye tena ho no mama an entity be fira bonten and say ehwe a national hero
Mamenka Alpha Lotto release on the buy no kakra. Ose Alpha Lotto Limited, a private lotto operator in Accra, has presented a check of 50,000 Ghana cedis to his well-being, presenting a check to Celestete, an official of Alpha Lotto, Mr. Raymond Kumowe, said the coach, said Alpha Lotto were heartbroken. They were heartbroken when we heard the coach and national asset lamenting in the media of hardship, lamenting. Now, that's as part of Alpha Lottery's corporate social responsibility. We present our check of 50,000 Ghana cedis to Bobo, and then we hope our widows will go a long way to help in paying his medical bills and then general well-being. Now, according to Mr. Kumowe, Mambodini and Amodiacha, called on other willing, meaning Ghanaians, both individuals and then corporate bodies, to come to Celestete, aid and then further aided that it is important to honor our heroes while they are alive.
DK poison.
Yeah.
So DK poison. Unse okokunto ko be 50 years ago. Emiye ni hu sika ekra investigation ebo menwa.
Yeah.
Government entua a champion time. E ho de tua seska. Another dango go for the seska. Indicate asem we there. $4,000 there. Enye ske bia.
Eketa.
No. Enye ke because say on the incumbent every couple.
No, but Filippo only say even after that
40 years ago. It's not an easy money.
Even after the $4,000, no. $4,000 in the free Honoma. He is a national hero. They should be able to pay his medical bills and everything.
Saying that we should honor our heroes. We should honor. We should honor our heroes while they are alive.
That is it.
And
because Nipana of far plena Nyamiyeno Aduman Kotno be Mazu Egypt no. One way yes can but bewu ama ni feel for one moment enjoy. You understand me? Oh, yeah, Baha Ebo, Mr. Cassidy from the Ghana Football Association, from this one. 10,000
country bishop, baby. Our country be a more junior one crop for him. And a more hero. And to me, acquire a day we, the whole continent, being seen that. Confusing Castellata and Gibbon for
the last Cup of Nations we near the captain of the Blaster was Emmanuel Kwashi. Unze Obayare. This Egyptian club. This Zamalek. I'm going to be fan free Ghana. Yeah. I'm be fan. I'm going to play fan. Free Ghana.
Because a legend for the.
But he was the last person who won the Cup of Nations as a captain
for Ghana.
But not the Okawu. And in the bush you have won to switch the Egyptians. No, I think it is Zamalek.
Yeah.
And I'm playing from Ghana. No.
And what
I was asking myself. Your Cup of Nations in here, they are me winning in an because they say about Beach winning now, oboy do Nishu crack. So I'm for now, no point carry him poo. Not will shoot a care, not a top from say pain. I know
what you don't say. And Penifua, a J Cup of Nations, Edema Ghana. Adebia Yakaya say DBH. One more ambobo, unquenimu, enquia bibi to say Opokuntinum, Aquasapia, Fumnoma, or Modumutumi quenimu in your baby see, you know. Of course, football yet baby and will be a BBS. One more a kite, you know. Kwaku, ya don't know when we say, Sanko for Nokomo. Because he said one more a D and another school of thought, another school of thought. Almost a Caribbean Benebiano. Save it. Unzena Budimbi. Yawo Mayanga or Yawo Black Pa Goskodogo Nevenze. Pokunti.
No Pokunti. So Pokunti Grasso Town. Oh, CK Jemfi's one. I be Black Safu Jemfi. Unze they are all living good.
Suffer just not a US.
You say, but oh, say, ye blame said that you are now heroes there. But and no, it's now a dumb booty. And then, some more giants, so John, because a dumb boat and the easy come on or bundle of money and those things. But then, Osha, baby, look at the difference. Nina, I say a savings. No, Ghana focus. Oh, I was like, by the Abobo and Yakakra. Nakakra no Nyaya no, or the dang. Obisons and more to be our canon. So we were because but on a clear note, you know.
It also makes sense.
Yes, it also makes sense.
Saving for the future.
Yeah. So money also save me today, and then I also save you in the future.
Generally, I hand you treat you.
Okay.
You treat heroes. Into you say, "Oh my no, you change your mentality about your heroes." Minimum say, "I na ye, I say I na ye but a hero is a hero."
A quiet first man, you appoint your coaches, you know, and your coin papa. In the first place. Acquire the appointed national team coaches. Problems wrong.
Yeah, me know you
problems be brave. You know, your fee say your mount coach is a coach your national team. Yeah, your favor.
That's the point.
So they feel like treating you anyhow. But say the compasso and the appointed coaches are. Kabon say all free muna all kono. I'm not the compass barber. So I did not be patch because that time no coach be paid. And now you are the man. Favor.
Yeah.
What is wrong? And because of this,
totally wrong. That is why
those coaches, you know,
nipa. Ade ba ko a wontumi ngini firi pa e ne internet.
Total Sports.
Intellectual property. So be di na dwene. Ya de. Na wo gina dwene firi sem. Wontumi ye. Ukunu kwa wonsanka.
Okay.
Ukunu pa no kwa wonsanka. Na e ko yetumi efa nipa just like that. I mean, ye kra ye yo papa. Nti kra be coach be bo be ye adwuma be ye sei. Na ya fa nkrofo na gumu a no mo ye ya demu a.
Okay.
What do I say?
Okay. All right. Yeah, we see here. Mommy and fancy na watching the benya time. Ni abehwe fie some ni na yedi nkomo Agyenkwa fe Kofi aso to betraso na yanko. Kodoko match ni Sunday. Okay. Yes, 6 p.m. Yes. And a house the near tree. But one thing I conflict in is Saturday. Okay, Saturday no. House Bowia na fi abehwe the Black Galaxies only at 6-7 p.m. So that is a year. Kofi, so I ready there. So once again, I mentioned Tonsu Jinyase Ramzia. Yes, sir.
Many we are kakra.
And
yes, as by nature, but I say cat no. Only about one as I done for Bako Asim. Toti and your friend Asim Horoma no eat trainer.
One Tiaka.
Say
Utiaga.
Mitiai.
Ubia kinds of brand minty, my advert are more free because and I no fenting up as my own.
But what can be
Dabby. Try the butcher ye, and once I died, no. Oka now hold the codes in his wa. Soon in a minute, if it is, I'm assuming 9 of him. What is it? But Toti.
Yeah, or started as a footballer.
Oh, okay.
But I say, Bibintino. Yeah, person could know. Enyenche mudie.
Okay.
Pastor na Uguso Bobo. I think say Obo Division 2 beside Toti, Baba or Asima. Why am I
heavy? Oh, I'm a guy.
Toti, a very good evening.
I'm finding with ma, and I'm home, but some doing you with the mouth.
ولن يكون الدوري سهل فيها على طريقة الركنيات. سعيد المولد يلعب الكرة الطويلة داخل عزازي طويلة خلف المدافعين خطيرة. بحث عن الكرة العرضية بالفعل عرضية لكنها بعيدة عن الكل. اللقطة اللي كان فيها الجبهة اليسرى بسبب الإصابة كونان ولكن العودة لكريستيانو يحاول في هذه الليلة لمسة من غريب الغنام. البحث عن كرة عرضية داخل منطقة بيت يلعب كرة أمامية لكنها تقلب ولكنهم حتى الآن يبحث عن كريستيانو لكن التغطية متنز نحو نحو كريستيانو رونالدو، محاولة مرور أمام الزحمة إلى غريب، كرة عرضية كان يطالب بشيء في اللقطة الماضية. واصل نصر الأرجنتيني يلعب كرة عرضية داخل المنطقة، لكن عودة لعبد المجيد صليح بكرة عرضية، لكن الدفاع اللي أمامه الكثير من التدخلات والتغطية والمراقبة اللصيقة، و 60% في الدقائق الماضية من أحداث هذا اللقاء. الكرة هجوم تحرك بجانب كريستيانو، لمسة بينية إسكا لرونالدو يحاول على حدود المنطقة نحو تاليسكا، تغطية وتدخل من أماكن عديدة يتابعون أحداث هذه كان عنده شغف كبير في كل محطة، في كل محطة كبيرة، في لفتة رائعة. أكيد خيبة أمل كبيرة على غيابه في الفترة القادمة، لذلك يصل على جهة اليسار، محاولة إلى بيتي بعيد عن مارتينيز، يغير في أدوار اللاعبين شيء ليثبت. بيتي مارتينيز خطير النصراوية، غريب في التمرير لكن تحت
so the one time pen you be say
me I can me fan of entertainment.
Only fan. What they need some some social media. Now for doctor air conference for more the prescription. Jesus how. Okay, go be. Go for about 8 minutes now for your bar now. Rashid, local news na bana for Rashid baby. Yanko.
Okay, Yanko microphone cross and some kakra na JC and Sakari and Tim Farmer live on show so the Oko Facebook and so Agyenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 patrons what me monetize on the live. I may piaso with me at an aqua me patron me phone remo and so Nana G came say to me a cost on Crofama no and I was penny patron copper the quarter final games no back home me we air to jump patron say and I tenants with me at 2 room and so a stadium Mastaya. I Pobo can cancel Valencia and so any Atletico Bilbao airport. We know can say 30 minutes and here Pope to me and Fatana into me and Fantoni and Kudiama Piasso into me and Kwakama Patrabo 8. A game park where Costo and no the super derby in Madrid in Patrono air coin sweat me at Yama Pobokua. You can say Real Madrid and so any Pobo can say Atletico Madrid and so bet me a Quacopan so Pediano. Yefan Aya Caesar Suto no Beco Geremo a center refinot me up Poma Geneso at me Aquacama Patro Jumedi and Macatro say a Costo a stadio Santiago Penepone say and a coach I can say a Carlo away Carlo Ancelotti do not can say Calito no and so it me at room say no more intimate coach intimate and from a Pobo can say Real Madrid Piasso intimate antenna coin patro go post no or their plenty I can say Thibaut Courtois Nicolas at them
so car super cup on so Omashe Ronaldo mutu ni zero Yabo Ronaldo 2-0 67th minute nti Ashe Ronaldo mutu 2-0 Etihad
yes
so Ronaldo
Jirum as a captain
nti Mabo Ronaldo mutu super cup
yes
yanko to aso
okay nti sana atene tempa to nya brand here you can say nacho mun we Fernandez and Fernandez onu ejiremo e pacho Antonio Rudiger started Adam Retao e pacho Fermente eno mo so complete pack no and so etimi Adam bo can say Real Madrid pacho ro 15 ho a ye baya Luka Modric Eduardo Camavinga eno Toni Kroos o mo so ejiremo e won 15 so etimi Adam bo can say Madrid pacho onim ho no e ya branch can the Freddy Valverde Karim Mustafa Benzema eno Chelsea branch here on so fan Vinicius Junior mo so etimi start and so etimi Adam bo can say Real Madrid e me bia so etimi akwa pacho ro mo e wo Atletico Madrid ha e ya dia Jan Oblak e goalkeeper pacho abranti ha ye can say Nahuel Molina anasa Molina e start Stefan Savage me pacho Hermoso ene abranti ha ye can say ye Manteva and so etimi start so etimi e we kire ho e dia man pobo kwa say Atletico Madrid me pacho Koke Rodrigo de Paul Thomas Lemar ene Antoine Griezmann e start as midfielder enim ho no obotu and so enim ho ye nya Alvaro Morata ene Agyenkwa Korea and so etimi start so etimi dem opokua ye can say Atletico Madrid pacho Atletico Madrid ene pobokua ye can say Madrid we aye Copa del Rey aye ne can say quarter final game we nim say no da passa and so etimi qualify to the semi-finals at the time passa so etimi say pobokua can say Real Sociedad enteni ye share so bia betimi qualify and so etimi akwa pass etimi no ho e me bia so etimi akwa me pacho ne wie and pobokua can say Madrid and so etimi do mo ani e kire mo and so Santiago Penepaz with the team no e pacho company sem Atletico Bilbao and say Atletico Madrid supporters are so etimi akopia mo say ne game e betimi atoso yankopon adoma ne 8 pm no e pacho enyamo mo wote de sampone and almost to me akokode at the time passa and so to me adi bobo kweka some Madrid players no and so to me adi Romani na sende Roma players and as supporters no and so to me at the flag not just a Cassidy Kini and so to me at two Facebook and so to me be share Agyenkwa from Kumasi 101.9 say and no Roma once again Atletico Madrid supporters no as akwa yo mo atiri pempa so me say this is akwa bani so Roma Atletico Madrid supporters na so to me ababa the most stubborn supporters and so La Liga mo repacho ukopia mu I Spain dia wonye team bi am supporters na die to trust e chen ye kan say Atletico Madrid supporters repacho ni omo ye nie uromu abranche kan say Vinicius Junior ono aye ne kan say winger and so to me dem popo kan say at remated and at so uromu mo e the flyer any banners na te omo so to me dey uromu na anta say abranche ye kan say Vinicius Junior ne picture dey ni omo kan ni omo say abranche ye tuntum te o say sabi monkey ade and at so omo so to me atro na obo say na okọ Facebook ni so omo dey abranche no and omo nto etimi aye ne kete sa no mapa and sepe omo dey na to war bi ho e wo Facebook ni so kopia mo wa Agyenkwa FM Kumasi 101.3 say Vinicius Junior eti wo mo aye ne kete do omo kan say you are small you are black like a monkey and at say no udom our Madrid so yen 24 and so any etimi dey akote ne kan say La Liga 24 say sansam boni and at say ne huna ya dia Atletico Madrid supporters rate no at say La Liga 24 etina say no omo so etimi ate atene kasa so twe and so etimi ade match say supporters ne no omo 87 nsem huna etesa no me pacho for me udom Morocco national team ni we free send the invitation kasia pa and at so omo so etimi apo omo aso uromu a ya dia Moroccan national team me pacho nkopon ya atoma ukopiem South America de omo bono atene kan say we South America omo national me pacho AFCON aprebi omo so etimi apo me pacho we Copa America and American one sem me pacho nkopon ya atoma the next edition ebeko so in the year 2024 me pacho Ecuador and ebetimi host ya atene kan say Copa America nkopon ya atoma betimi akoso starting July June 14 akwa July 10th na enkra nso etimi awuram awo na kan say Morocco national team na so ene say ya temp before nso etimi ato invitation letter nso etimi akwa kopio man kan say Morocco ni na ne say Morocco national team awuram awo Africa this year and as last year na kan say World Cup etimi ato ja nso man kan say Qatar mu na ya to mo ekobo mo mate am pia so etimi akwa ne say ne no eteye pa intene awuram nso South America wo mo komi po ni mu a wo mo so etimi de awuram nso na atene kan say away Morocco national team na so ye se nkopon ya do mo bo mo ho na atene kan say Copa America next edition no betimi akoso Ecuador no wo mo so etimi ababa anama atene so etimi akwa we latest news mi wuram nso studio se etimi be kama sama na twi nso etimi ademon tu wuram dia na mi pia so etimi akwa kama Bukayo Saka aye play edema Arsenal na Abrante no obi edem emade mu ase Abrante nso etimi apeka na se former Abrante kan say Bukayo Saka nso etimi ewom with Arsenal me patro etimi aboa ama Arsenal Gunners me no ka say eda EPL league the top no so ama bia so etimi akwa kama na mpelifon so anya atoja ana so so etimi ade abetoja sa Abrante ye kan say Bukayo Saka in the month of December or ye player of the month na me patro Abrante na mwade month no so etimi afoti match sa ten so etimi akwa calculate nsa ama bia so etimi atena kwa mo me patro eno the game etimi akwa so awon ye kan say Spain Copa del Rey game me patro Barca so etimi team kulima against Boboku ye kan say Real Sociedad no player ba kwa kan no tia kan edema Athletic Club Bilbao me patro penia ye kan say Mikel San Jose or dem koma kakra enso etimi ade atoja me patro Rashid banya picture ya photo so for mama we be say Oswani Dembele tackle Abrante bi awacha say picture mo sanso na Sergio Busquets so acha say tackle bi akodo so na enro da sa tackle akọ Abrante ye kan say Sergio Busquets ne so no ekopa ne say Abrante kan say brace no and acha say referee tire mo enso etimi atwa ira we dem asa game na peni no e red card enso etimi ade ma Abrante kan say brace na no na peni an no so kan say Mikel San Jose say urom our VAR na so ya VAR aba say babe stadium no or you very selective and a ultimate decision and so to me a favor victims no say Abrante kan Osmani Dembele on the Facebook and so we won't say Dembele actually night as a benkum na atena kwa ye tenten to kwa probi na so referee no say and then one for red card bia and so to me am fan Abrante as a kan so Osmani Dembele Manchester Dembele so entimi ankwanko free game nemom ni Dembele enso etimi atoa so apo game ni na ama tenso etimi akwa come into pedia ye can say Mikel eya Sanchose wasa va no eya very selective enso etimi ababetu dwa Manchester na twe misu mitimi de man e pacho Dembele this season anase ne since to a branch na join e pass etimi no e pacho Osmani Dembele mosquito temples etimi ase 40 goals e de ama passer eno etimi etimi make 40 assists in 80 goals involvement and a branch can say Osmani Dembele and so to me ayadiama bobo kwa kansa pass at the time on so to me a journey timino from a bobo kwa ye kansa Borussia Dortmund we piaso etimi etana kwa pacho Leo Messi akwa kotim koma kakra na Leo Andre Messi ko to chine Cambiu mafa kilio ana ne nkomo tim ane se mpelifo ebisa ne sabra yenya nyanentie se ne unya pass obesa ko afa kura wadwa sa akwa ye ntanta sa PH no wo ba betina Manchester atekura pa so ba be steno contract with PH ade that to say Leo Messi se men kan opiantia se ne onya pass do bebo nemom de atene se or respect the contractor oni bobo kwa kan se PH ewo opeso ona ne kan se contract duration na karo ama pia so etimi atela kwa ne central photo koso ebisa Leo Messi se wanka se debe de pa na wiase wodo o se ade odo eye mienu pe o wiase edin kan Air Football Club Barcelona me patro the Culés muntie ne ye pa Leo Messi so odo mo ye pa efiri wono ma bobo kwa na so man ya ye kan se Argentina nanu ya o lead omo ama jene kan se World Cup na kokwachi ye no eya de to so mienu ma che so be wiase na oto enti brante kan se Leo Messi no che likely se Leo Messi so betina papa sa ama pia so etimi akokama Carles Puyol eya former captain for Barca me patro boa Barca no me patro boa Barca ama Barca so che more trophies na me patro Puyol say at the time about join Barca no eya de ekoba ne so ese so koye trials ama Barca mpanifo so etimi hu ne se ne money ma no aso eso ni so betimi akire mo apo de ama Barca na se ne money ba odi ba be wuram o trials no bra obekọ fie na okọ no papa kan se me de tira na so okay na ne se wo kwa no bra me so kwese kra bra kwa ye no adwuma ne no atia kan se Barca no tim no konya bipo ose no oka kira ne se ne so okọ no se koba ne se tim a na se players a ene no mo epesa abada Barca tim no La Masia na se Barca team proper no mo pe 20 guys na se players no mo so etimi afel do mo train no mo ye ne team A Barca no mo etimi edom no penini so kire mo se ne papa sabra no oni ni efrifi omo 18 kra no o kire mo se de be ye ne ye pa se ne obekọ pie mo no mo se sa 20 players no ne money mo na anso ne into omrefe about the side enye ne ya obeche no ofie ne mom se koba ne se ne determination ne agene kan se ni suade uni na sine ne so akwa kam agene kan se Barca team ne mo ene se mpanifo be gina so se bra with determination to the Barca team no enye no ene che se wo de ba ya or se e ba ne sa e papa ne ka che se sa na mpanifo be ka de anka bra edu ho no ma na waka Barcelona me pacho mo training ground so Spotify campaign ho na anasa company ho na watena ho enye sa pa dia na watime awura mo training ground so kan say Ciudad Esportiva ho na wada ho a o se ampa Yankopon so di na chi ana agene kopa ne say mpanifo e kan say Barca team no won so time achiri to mesa agene so ekopa ne say ne otime nya Barca boy won so time ebe captain team e kan say Barca and number ye story e de ma ho say apprenti anaso play kan say Zlatan Ibrahimovic Ibrakadabra akwa team koma Lamasti teammate anase players omo etirem edema Argentina ama kopa ne say Argentina so kwaje trophy ma bra celebration ne teme pa ne say ne no omo akwa jubilate ya ma jere kopa ne say ne atemdie kura teme pa na ne no wuram akun Aguero Sergio a former player for Argentina me patro no kura ya obotime kansa Barca wuram e Manchester City me patro pani na kasa o say ene enya sa ne chese mpanifo anase pani teme kasa we are legend in the football to say Zlatan Ibrahimovic dia enya de obetimi ansem bia na sese fimo no mu pa no tenim say na wo kura Zlatan ye kan wasama enka na ye nka we player bia ye kasa indiscipline bra unni hu ni kura ofisa wo at the time na chese obepiem anso Manchester United no ye nya match at City any Man U airport a ekopa ne say wo Zlatan Ibrahimovic wunya chese opere kasa Nicolas Otamendi ani chese opere kasa Pep Guardiola di wo mwatem e wo touchline so ni na no aya dia kasa disrespect and on sweet made room to Brana so say ne Argentina team no etimi akwakwati waka pajamo no mo so entiment jubilate we pia so entimi akwakama Kwaku medisi na Caicedo dos Santos avelo Ronaldo na ho apa se ba ne no likely say Ronaldo ebetimi akwa 1 month band on mobo entimi enfama bobo kwaka say Al Nassr na ni na ne say ya dia okopiem e bobo kwaka say Juventus from ene Real Madrid na me pacho ni say Juventus enwa wo ye pa ya do wuram FIGC a wo mo edit tap no anase ne ɔson bebree etimi de amon mpanifo bi asa time no mu di adwuma enso etimi de mabobo kwa kan say Juventus the last opinion you can say Andrea Agnelli enu etuno president and say former vice president opinion can say Pavel Nedved mu ina omo agege dwomo de me patro players ni bi enso etimi agege dwomo de amatch ade no kwa ne say ene the current ene director sporting director edema Tottenham Hotspur opinion you can say Fabio Paratici onso etimi kwache ne de ene create me free sa ene scandal no mu e pade kire say likely say Cristiano dos Santos avant Ronaldo and it just other 22 players are one more current any outgone players for Juventus so ebetimi age one man band me patch me din chembebre ebetimi ade Abraham Yankopon adme that time patch for Piqué to so na me dey sorry Piqué enchepi on ne just ne girlfriend as the wife you can say Shakira ejaye e ma ade na kwa kopese be se bosom me ense nan ne Piqué adi ene empaso kwa ma chaye pa okon Instagram Piqué si de ho de ko Facebook no kwa hwe on the new girlfriend Kwaku on say sika wo ho a na Piqué ne ex wife and as an ex girlfriend and can say Shakira no when you channel 10 years we did 45 and the Piqué na did 35 e no mu jaye abaya Piqué akwa fa to no so no ne new girlfriend at the Facebook okwa Agyenkwa FM kuma so 101.9 obenya bi afsha no ye fa no Clara Chia na Clara we did finse no 23 na no what for pa who call for Facebook no so da ho enye yize Piqué ni twetwa muta wanyanya no nti sa na tie ntuko pie mu a wonso betimi anya bi aso sika wo botoma abra wunyi sesen kra obeyan ketwa de ni bi abom me bi aso etimi akwa na me patro ko school dia ko school papa Entrance University College of Health and Science school atobinko nso etimi de abento ko a obetimi anya bodimokrata eno doctor of pharmacy obebu adwuma emene no hospital bi abejo so eme bi aso etimi akwa kama panto for form this year 2022 2023 no academic year cultural admission be into www.euchs.edu.gh sesubiem www.euchs.edu.gh and you bet me a download bi na bi so akodi kama and so etimi adam na so from Dr. Amutobe ne ntoma 0509086631 dia entrance in for ejo so skin city the only tua so we dey any take kama pa Telegrams Bronze Natural and natural restore no and Kwaku to bi so etimi adam we patch fantastic for no mudum so Upside Pharmacy and I say the middle shop TUC bet me enya ne can say Bronze Natural dro bia as I say ma ho na ma any tie no kwa we so Skin City Wamundo ni bi o mama obi na bi aso anase nku ni bi ama o so etimi de ama o we de na beda wo kama me patro open do to the udum awa skoro mampo kuma say affordable house no emu endi wo mudi ani hwenim to kwa wetimi abo ma de pa edge ko 0208 765033 eno ehs ne de ekoso a o so e boy na ye de amano nsem so etimi de pa patro na no fofo no gluzi eguso a ekonto mu nsem spiritual problems de fofo ebejo so kama patro number 2 obo ase kwantempo no so kwa ene fofo no gluzi enso betimi abo 0245167857 Kwaku ebeto aso me bia so etimi adena kwa mu.
All right, chama Agyenkwa yemfa fie some to aso kakra na yenko 5 minutes yenko na Rashid me point yenko
I was not for the official no edit to us so Ediamona Kakrabi a corner Kwakoshampo no a league matches I bet me about so weekend and on a Yabuchi with them Fiada and I made no Esha Legon City so more and Bechem United and also a class sports and also Yabuchi with them Yamia my channel pa yet the Empon referees ning now so Bebo media mamo Majema Sporting Club match no a basso memeneda 3 p.m. money hearts of folk and a bosso a Akun Park na made no bet me so sounds so and Americans at Tamale City and it goes stars match no and so Ebaso Ewa Liu Mahama Sports Stadium and also Memeda and a side meeting so Toja Uti Agyenkwa 101.10 FM the Total Sports and Yeti Ebro Kwesi the matches are Ebaso any Adriana Stars or more any Accra Lions Ebebo Ewa Nanajiman Bedu Park Brekum Chelsea Ewa Golden City Park no Omotonsa at the Fred Dream Service and Nay or Mamma Monaso Den FA Cup no or Makoko Hearts of Folk at the Free Samatex almost any Kim Facer and so at the Bosso Ewa and St. Park Kotoko Ebebo Nyami Adama Kotoku Royals Babayara Sports to them 6 p.m. Ewo Kwesiada and a Samachano and also Ebetimi Abaso Real Tamale United Ewo Aliu Mahama Sports to them Kwesiada no or more any instructor man and a Ebo and a Afe and their Great Olympics Olimbobo Olim Mashi Olinkonson also any Karela United and so Ebo Accra Sports to them Nyami Adama Kwesiada and a Samachis and so Eba Yebomunchimu and so Etimi Ediamo and ne me pacho meeting to be etimi Eko so Ghana Football Association in Pennyfor, Etumi Asia, na and someone more drinking Hono, a B and a medituja at a Miami at my channel past 6:30 Flash Sports. Yet the Munchami now so to me at Jabro. GF4 Asher and who said putting Yami and Yama Air Coso, our referee Muno, and Yadia Agent Naso Cra, and it's no more agent home, said Punu referee, sir, a bit to me at the matches, no, Sabine a bit to me a conkai abwa, no more to me a Bujuma at Yama Ghana Football Sanso, and I'm to me at General Pono, Coach Bang, and a bit to me at General at Yama, the Black Stars of Ghana, and also Elkan Wonsam, and some baby, and also to me a course. So now saying, and I am put a better just honorable Sam George, I didn't send better to just a Ghana Football Association, and I dear coach in Wonsam, somebody or Modia Marcus Watson. Now Ghana Football Association penny for Isha, or Martin when was a Sansabno, and Trey, and also Omotumi Epiemu, and what meet, I say, Black Galaxies, Yami Adma, Saturday or more any Niger, on a Bosso Denten, we a quarter final stage, Benifono so Etumi Edru, and Benifo the best player beer, I want to know. Yeah, they are glassing a waku a prayer before they are about to just a branch and went to me out on the Dendia and they on also Ejemu, Echaka, Ediamano, transfers, no, baby, and I will Yami at my channel. Yeah, the winner bet to me, a blessing say, Adriana Stars as signing players, Kotoko, as signing B. Thousand hearts of folk, Eddie players be auto transfer, summer text, Omina, Eddie auto transfer, player be free, Ash Gold. Call and put Gold Stars. Yami at my channel, ya the one seminano, a to me at Jabra Agyenkwa 101.9 FM.
All right, K Pra, listening and watching live inside Chocolate City, Confase in second D, great show presented by the finest Obouba Tebri Maguire. And then we brought a message as watching live. Welcome back, Kojo Kwampoku, back to Asante Kodoko, Nosatian head pastor. Our Nerebehi Maranatha Assemblies of God. Kumchole. Also Kumchole is a miracle. Ibo Boating and the other Samuel CCL7 effect. Filippo estimating message. Ewaha Eric Amosi watching from affordable housing. Tech Aja Hala Madrid. We shall beat our cities rival by 2-0. No El Copa the game about 8 p.m. Then another Samuel once again message. As so was Starboy, our mem airport as a message. Our Yakini uncle.
City, my emphasis are when you na yen charity for any moment in our club from the Total Sports. Now, and then the biggest and one of the finest coach in the history of football, Edina Oda, Papa friend Jose Mourinho. Now, say you can say Jose Mourinho. Don't know good football. I don't know if total football. Papa a friend Pep Guardiola every inventor on one kasane dear a friend tiki taka from Georgian and I say you are Cruyff era of total football no. Now Oko PM Chelsea Bobo Konuma a ho and a papa a friend Jose Mourinho a deal in quick Kesepano awo. Now Obouba me say why not Jose Mourinho? The American say where your coach will take a Juma a wo coach mo ana edding and they are Jose Mourinho epe. Yeah, kind of days, the early days of 2000. A whole and a Jose Mourinho etimi about lamplight in him. Okofa a team Mr. Benfica. Ofri Benfica no. Okofa FC Porto. Dominating the Portuguese league. Being the first manager in the Portuguese league. Winning the golden treble. Otimi winning the Portuguese league. The Super Tankanda trophy no. Otimi Eje. The Portuguese Super Cup. Otimi Eje Edema. Team my friend FC Porto. Jose Mourinho every FC Porto no. Obe PM Chelsea Bobo Kodim. Now, there, Papa friend Roman, Eto Chelsea Bobo Cody in the year 2003. Now, Papa friend Claudio Ranieri. Or no any team Eboma Leicester City. A team edge the EPL with the likes of our brand here friend Kante, Real Mahrez, more a team Eboma Leicester City Bobo Kono, a team EPL. Now, Papa friend Roman Abramovich, no Osha project I say, Intino, no up a fine coach, Obetimi Abua, now the project, no, after say what me silly. 730 million pounds. What me at all Chelsea Bobo Kono. Everything been in Seminole. Now already the right coach. Obet me Abuano. Now what me I said.
Total Sports.
The era and I said the 10-year. Our Chelsea Bobo Kono. Me talk for perfect Jose Mourinho after beating to my friend Monaco in the year 2003-2004. European Papa friend Jose Mourinho. Etimi ebe PMU ewo England. Na City. Obe PM ewo England no. Na yenya Arsenal Bobo Kwa led by Papa friend Arsene Wenger with the invisibles. Na enya Sir Alex Ferguson Manchester United na teams mienu and na omu dominated the English Premier League. Jose Mourinho ebe PM in the Premier League, you know. In his first interview, Papa from Sir Alex Ferguson ebusa media na say na why na ebe why ni coach here attention United me akodi na chi. Papa from Jose Mourinho etimi reply Sir Alex Ferguson in his first interview can say we're the special one. Obeji the Premier League, you know, as I defend the Premier League, you know, after 50 years, since 1959, at Chelsea, etimi edge Premier League, you know, Papa for the Jose Mourinho, etimi led the Chelsea team, you know, and Momutimi edge the Premier League in the year 2004-2005 season. And so was also etimi defended the Premier League in the year 2005-2006 season. Papa for the Jose Mourinho. After 3 seasons, otimi edge tima. Your friend Chelsea Bobo Kono, Timmy Ejan Ho, Okofa Tima, your friend Real Madrid. Before Okofa Real Madrid, no, not Real Madrid, Etimi are dominant forces in the UEFA Champions League, winning the La Liga in the year 2007-2008 season with the likes of Ian Robben, Schneider, and Abrantia, your friend Ruud van Nistelrooy, Etimi Eboye, and my Real Madrid Bobo Kono, no almost struggle in the UEFA Champions League. Not Tima Lyon. Tima na omo tete Real Madrid ye Papa a friend Jose Mourinho etimi ebo Real Madrid after so many seasons etimi ebo mo se on kan cry in the year 2009 in the Copa del Rey final Emra branch of Ronaldo etimi said that header goal no na Barca etimi tormented dominated Real Madrid in the La Liga and even in Europe. Papa a friend Jose Mourinho etimi ende San Marco na okopia mu ewo Inter Milan City. After 45 years, na Edema International of Italy, so met me at a UEFA Champions League trophy. Papa friend Jose Mourinho, etimi Ebuama, team my friend Inter Milan, etimi dominated Europe. Emra mutimi etua Barca, our Camp Nou etimi konya qualification, or mutimi etche the Barbarians, Bayern Munich, etimi etua in the UEFA Champions League 2011-2012 season, and mutimi etche and so was also a PM or Chelsea PM, Echo PM or Tottenham Hotspur, about back to Italy. Now, the end I want to say, being one of the finest coaches, sir, or Matimi Aje every single Europa tournament, or Matimi organize the Europa Conference, the Champions League, the Europa Cup. Yagina can Oko PM or team from Manchester United, no, the likes of Ibrahimovic, Paul Abili Pogba, etimi Ebuama, Papa for the Jose Mourinho, etimi Ebuama, team friend Manchester United after 9 seasons. Etimi Ebuama Manchester United, etimi edge European trophy. Was also about the only coach etimi edge the golden treble. Emrana we coach Edema Inter Milan Bobo Kono. Na City ene day Papa for the Jose Mourinho. Na woda oka Jose Mourinho the drona enim say we coach here or pet a top style and defending attacking system of play. And that day, Papa for the Jose Mourinho, Mario Felix dos Santos. And that day, and I would know my emphasis is so now I want to say Jose Mourinho a happy birthday. See in 1 minute. Oh, say you can say footballer
1 minute
in football. Players are no musia kind. Unim say kakrebi na ya na eska format. Players are ayana omutimisi akan etimi very successful in football. Dodo na no here for ma. Intete no na o sorry na o passion for football. Na o sha say usi akan bo so for e kan cho say onya akwala wo da ache onya akwala we serious in life. Into no anyam wonwa say players no enya sika. So what is a player bi esi akan na e che ka 200,000 pounds Cassidy. O abusuan o hwe no. Enam for hwe omo ni guess bi omo hwe omo ntino almost 70% of their salary for her. Into Anyamonwa said Danny Alves, the branch of Roxanne de Souza Robinho, Yepenya Adam Johnson of Manchester City, Yepenya Benjamin Mendy, Omunano a place beer. Na free slab, but Omentimi Andrew Mabra Busunti intino, a Timmy Akoyomu in prisons. Into another day, Yamfasa Kwenye so we are young talent, na Usia Kanya.
Yes, a golf, yes, a for Madiana, football here for Madia. Yadasi.
You been time near. Now, I say, friends say, Kim face a place, no. You play beer watching more than 250 Ghana cities.
No cry. No cry. But I channel if you are or channel better as near her. Memphis, I like bits me about. Boss beaters, the bands, I could be in a minute. Philip, just a minute.
Yeah, Kwaku, Yankupon Yaduma, Sunday. Mianka Sami Mame, Madame Gladys Osei. Baby, now friend and Tiabna, no Oti, Chronom, Otum for last stop. Okay. Yankupon in South and Yankupon Yaduma Sunday now 1 week in Airbasso. Our year Otum for last stop, Chronom, NT. Young for Konya Wilson, Yamabusian na shedding. Okay. Nana Melidia, Sister Mercy, CC Chronom, and after Clinton is off for George Mina, and young for Konya Wilson, Yamam, Nahupa Yadma. What was Sandy about Konya in Aquatech, 1 week. A bus in Nahupa Yadma, okay. Otum for last stop, Chronom.
All right, so that's Sato, or Ramsia, runabouts. Number Saturday, Sunday, do Nyeduma. All right, yeah, that's Boss Beaters, 8 Cuba, Medidi or Obouba.